Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Through this video, we will continue our journey of learning basic vocabulary in the Kashmiri language. However, if you have not checked out our earlier videos that have been published already, do consider checking them out by following the link under the description of this video. Remember, all you have to do is to repeat after me when I speak the Kashmiri words that are highlighted in red color in the slide. Let's get started. Ishtial, ishtial, anger, provocation. Ishtam farosh, ishtam farosh, stamp paper seller. Israr, israr, request or persistence. Izaf, izaf, enhancement or enlargement. Izdirab, izdirab, impatience or restlessness. Itlah, itlah, information or intimation. Ishtihar, ishtihar, poster or advertisement. Ishar, ishar, hint or suggestion. Ishar havun, ishar havun, to show direction or to give a hint to someone. Isam, isam, or nav, nav, name. Let's review these words quickly now. Ishtiyal, ishtam farosh, israr, izaf, izdirab, itlah, ishtihar, ishar, ishar havun, isam, nav. That's it in this lesson. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.